ExaGrid is the only solution in the industry that solved the challenges and changed the economics of backup storage. Through its tiered backup storage, ExaGrid helps IT organizations solve 5 of the most pressing issues they face today. The fastest backups for the shortest backup window, the fastest restores and VM recoveries, a fixed-length backup window as data grows, comprehensive security including ransomware recovery, all at the lowest cost upfront and over time.
First of all, we provide industry-leading backup performance, which is often 3 times faster than any other competitive solution in the market, and we couple this with a highly scalable architecture. We also lead the industry in restore performance, often providing 20 times better performance than any other competitive approaches. We utilize a scale-out architecture, which provides the best TCO over time. We've eliminated product obsolescence and forklift upgrades. We provide global replication so that you not only have a copy of your data at your primary site, but you also have a disaster recovery copy. And finally, we provide efficient long-term retention due to our industry-leading deduplication. Most solutions on the market today use what's called an inline deduplication approach, meaning that the data is deduplicated as it's written to disk, slowing down the backups. And this also means that only deduplicated data is stored on disk, which means your restores are going to be slow because of the fact everything has to be rehydrated. Further, as your data grows, no additional compute resources are added to these systems. So your backup window grows and grows and grows until backups have to be abandoned as they are cutting into production hours. And only an expensive, disruptive forklift upgrade can solve this.
ExaGrid's approach is very different. ExaGrid's unique architecture provides for the fastest backups, fastest restores, and a fixed-length backup window as data grows. Data is written straight to the disk cache landing zone. Data is deduplicated into the repository tier and occurs in parallel with backups. This results in the fastest backups with the shortest backup window. The most recent backups are kept in undeduplicated form in the landing zone for fast restores and instant VM recoveries, since no rehydration is necessary in order to perform a restore.
ExaGrid believes in taking care of its customers. We have assembled a team of data backup experts who share a passion for backup, technology innovation, and a passion for customer service. This combination of excellence in technology and outstanding customer service has led to an extraordinary track record. A Level 2 senior support engineer is assigned to work with each organization for the best possible customer experience.
Future-proof your backup environment with ExaGrid's tiered backup storage, the singular solution that offers scalability without an end of life. Contact us today to solve the challenges in your backup environment.